recording? Yes. Hello, guys and girls. Ben back here with another to and from work motor vlog. Right, I've got a big apology to you guys. I had a week's worth of footage, but I think about a week and a half worth of footage on my camera, and then I took them off the camera and I watched them back, and there was no sound whatsoever. No sound at all, right? So I thought, fuck's sake. But anyway, I thought maybe it was the microphone slot, because it had a snap in it. I thought that was the reason why it was broken, but bought a new one, got all excited, and I made a really awesome video, and I didn't record. I was like, oh please, give me strength. So anyway, I noticed that the camera wasn't charging with a USB slot, because I sometimes, when it doesn't do that, I think it's just lazy. So I have a little micro SD card insert slot, I put it in front of my laptop to take the videos off. But this one particular day I wanted to do it instead, it wasn't working at all, and I thought, maybe that's why the microphone's working. I sat there for an hour recording myself, you know, my face with my microphone. I haven't none of it. So I took it back to Curry's and PC World yesterday, and it turns out that the slot for either the microphone or for the USB port into the laptop, it was bent. Now, it would work if you moved it in certain positions, but as soon as you let go, woof, that's it, it was off. So they were kindly enough to give me a brand new GoPro Hero 4 Black. A brand new one, literally. I was astounded. I was like, what, really? Because I pay £4 a month for insurance on the GoPro. I had the GoPro for about a year, so I spent £40 and I got a £400 new camera. But let's tell you, to use insurance, that stuff always works. And I'm so happy about it. But the look on my face, right, when they said to me, oh no, sorry, another one, I'm like, what? But it made me kind of think that maybe GoPros have a lot of faulty problems with that. Maybe they always get bent after a while, I don't know. But got a brand new one. Yeah, let's do some motor vlogging. So anyway, guys, in my last whole week session of videos that I did have recorded for you guys, I started talking about subjects. Any old subject, you know, something to keep you guys amused whilst you're listening to my video. I think this time, we're not talking about a lot. I think I talked about the police already in another video that I mentioned, but I also mentioned, guys, could you try and give me some suggestions on what to talk to, what to talk about in these videos, because sorry if I sound a bit bunked up, guys, I'm stinking rotten cold. I apologise for that. Yeah, little subjects like, am I the only one that saw that? What was that? Sorry. Oh, what the fuck, sorry? Dickhead. Oh. Anyway, like I was saying, I started talking about little different subjects to keep you guys amused in my videos, so it's not just literally me writing to everything like babbling on about my days and shit with it. So I think, I also said to myself, I need to plan ahead, because I was mumbling a lot of these videos. I was going, oh, what subject to talk about to? Then that's last about 3 minutes me thinking of a subject. Before my videos, I need to think of a subject before I start banging on about it. My subject is going to be today my favourite motorbike, and I would like you guys to also mention your favourite motorbike. It can be one specific one, it can be loads of them, it can be your favourite brand. Honestly, my favourite brand is Kawasaki, in my opinion. I love all the Ninjas. Every single Ninja they've released, I love it. Any single Ninja. But that Ninja H2R, that just kills it, doesn't it? Come on, that kills all the Ninjas. That is fucking awesome. Also, I love BMW. It's like the BMW S1000R and the S1000R. All the really fast, awesome, you know, super bikes. I love them. I love them to pieces. I really do. I think they're incredible. I think they're all incredible machines, and I'm stuck here in a 125. Isn't life great? Said to my business about doing my A2. She goes, pass your driving test first. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, so motorbikes. Guys, let me know what your favourite motorbikes are down below. The only reason why. The reason I love Ninjas is because I've loved them ever since I was a little kid. So honestly, I'd point out the big green bike when I was young. And then later when I grew up and started riding bikes, I never realised that. Till like a year I rode motorbikes. I was like, shit, why did I like Ninjas before I started riding? And I realised when I was younger I used to always point them out. The big green bike. Big green machine! So yeah, that was really my story behind my favourite motorbike. I would talk about another subject, guys, but I'm literally just around the corner from work. You can hear me babbling on about, you know, what should be coming up within the not too distant future. My friend has bought a fuckload of camera stuff, and he's going to make me this awesome channel promo. But I just need to find a day to go out and do some recording with him when I'm free and when he's free, and that's the challenge. That is the big challenge. So he's going to do all that recording stuff for me. I hope I should have a nice channel promo. Hopefully. That's a big cliff. Oh, sorry guys, I'm really not winning today. I'm fucking dead. And now I've got 11-hour shift. Oh, they just stay up. Oh my god, my nose! Has anyone got a fishing rod to try and catch my nose back? This wind is terrible! Big cluster! That's really why I'm racing that fight, was because I've taught that motorbike up that was conceived from my work now, so turns out it isn't. Illegal manoeuvre, you donk. Right, and I will end it on that bombshell. Take it guys, we'll see you in the next to and from my motor vlog. Bye bye! Bye 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 bye! High five! Bye. Bye bye bye. Bye! That's seriously bye guys.